Good morning, students. Today we are going to be talking about how to create a student profile on pixton.com. Now, this website is really cool. It will allow you to create an avatar, not like the Airbender, but like a Bitmoji. And when we have this avatar, we are going to create comics with it and be able to include your classmates' avatars in them as well. Today's lesson, as I just got through telling you, is about creating an account, designing an avatar, and joining your class using the class code. By the end of the lesson, you will be able to create an account and join our class on pixton.com. Just a quick reminder, you will be accessing your G Suite for Education account, which is automatic if you're using a Chromebook. So when you sign in with Google, as usual, it will prompt you to open up a Google Chrome browser tab once we get ready. You're going to join our class using the sign up link, which is right here. Once you click that, it's going to prompt you to type in 5 characters. Make sure that you type them in correctly. This is super important. F8TKT. If you type in a different one, it might not work, or you could join some random class. Once you join the class, you'll be prompted to sign in with your school or your Google account. Like you sign in each morning, type in your school email and password. That's after you click this button here. You'll be directed to create an avatar by clicking the Make My Avatar button. Now there's a long process and there are so many customizations that you can have.
All right, students, welcome. After you click Make My Avatar, it is time to customize your digital self. You will see multiple options for you to customize your digital self, and I'm going to walk you through some of the options we have and how it can be fun and interesting for the whole class to create themselves online. So let's start with skin tone. We all come in different shapes, sizes, colors, and you can choose your skin tone, and we can create our beautiful class. Well, I think Mr. Spoon is right around here. I've been out in the sun a little bit, so put a little nice tan on me. I like that. Let's go to the next. Hair color. Well, I don't have much of it, but I'm gonna choose black hair, and I think bald is the way to go. I got a little bit of hair, and this is good because this is a good example. You might not, I think that might fit Mr. Spoon. You might not find exactly, it looks like they have some short hair here, but maybe that's their buzz cut. I'm gonna go with the bald look. Sometimes I am bald, so let's go with the bald look. But you can customize the hairstyle. That's a cool feature. Okay, let's take a look at glasses. All right, Mr. Spoon doesn't wear glasses, but I know some of you do. This is a cool feature. Hopefully they have the type of glasses that you wear in class, so you can really customize your look. That's really cool. Let's take a look. Some of you are into fashion. Let's take a look at fashion. Hats. Well, you can't wear hats in class, so let's skip that. Let's take a look at the outfits. Okay, the outfits might be different because I chose adult. You see age range. You got the age. Most of you will fall in these age range. Mr. Spoon's an adult, so let's go with that one. And let's go back to the outfits. My outfits might be different than yours. I am your math and science. Ooh, look at this one. It's got a planet on the, well, we gotta move the pose so you can see the planet in, where's pose? Here we go. Let's see what pose we got. Let's see, let's keep going. A thumbs up. I will most likely be giving all of you a thumbs up because of the great avatars that you're creating. But that's a great look. It looks close to Mr. Spoon. It has a science sweatshirt and I'm giving you a thumbs up. That's amazing. So look, we're going to give you enough time. You can go through all of the options. You can customize your digital self. Make it look as close as you can to looking like you. And when you're finished, congratulations. Your profile is created and your digital avatar is complete.
Once you click done, you are ready to go. Your avatar and profile will be saved. It will direct you to this page to where you can look at your class photo. Not all of the students will be moving at the same pace as you, so just wait for them to finish making their avatars and take a look around the website and its different features. Your teacher can create a whole class photo once they're all complete. Here's an example of my class photo. It was a very fun experience for my whole class, and we use comics almost twice every week. So I hope that you get a lot out of this, and I hope that your avatar is going to get lots of good use.